5,000 subscribers. Sawyer, 5,000 subscribers, buddy. 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. 5,000. So I cannot believe we reached 5,000 subscribers. We feel super happy and lucky that you guys even want to watch our videos, much less subscribe and like them. People from Arkansas and Mississippi, all the way to England, which is insane. Can you believe it? 5,000 people. 5,000 people, we just can't believe it. I am so happy. I don't even like cheese nips. But for 5,000 people, I'll do whatever to celebrate. Seriously though, guys, from the bottom of my heart, my wife's heart, my brother's heart, thank you so much for subscribing. We would like to know where you're from and how in the world did you end up on our channel. Please leave a comment below and let us know where you're from in the world. Since, like I said, we've had people from Arkansas and Mississippi all the way to England, which still blows my mind. But we would like to know how in the world you found out about us. Do you like more of the shed to home stuff? Do you like more homesteading stuff? Do you just like our stupid personalities? I don't know. It's beyond me why you guys like us. But I would like to know where you're from and how you found out about us, and then maybe even how long you've been subscribed. We think that'd be awesome. We want to get to know you guys as much as possible and just feel like a family. As most of you know, if you've been following us long enough, we've been living in this shed house conversion for over a year, and it's been a battle. It's been learning stuff here and there, figuring out what we like and don't like, what we can afford and can't afford, how much debt we can get into, how much debt we're trying to get out of, all that type of stuff, how dirty this place could be. Yeah, it's tough living in this type of situation. You're living in a construction zone. So I'm just going to run through some stuff that we've been working on lately. It's a mess. We're living in it. If you do or don't know, my wife and I have been living out in our travel trailer in the yard. And we're renovating it. We want to get on the road some, take our family on road trips because we think that'd be awesome when we're not homesteading. We got some new animals. We are getting ready to mess with our garden in the greenhouse, even though it's the winter. We like challenges. We are working on a lot of projects right now, inside and out, trying to do what we can when we can. We all have full-time jobs. We're just living life. I don't know what else to say, so I guess I'll show you around a little bit of the projects working on and then see if the seed that we planted yesterday is still there. We got a ton of rain. Our power went out. We got way more rain than we expected. Let's see what's going on. So here's our island. We still need to do some trim work and then probably a new fresh coat of paint on it, but this thing we absolutely love, gives you extra counter space. And then probably need a stain under here that you don't see, but that could be our little secret. So as you can see down here, underneath our window, we still got some painting to do. We're doing more of the tongue and groove rather than, we started with sheetrock, then we did fake shiplap stuff, and then now we just decided on this, which we wish we would have done from the beginning. But we're gonna try to finish that up, paint it, put the rest of it up, and then hopefully call it quits with the walls once and for all. Then up here, we still got to do trim work all around the walls, the corners. Probably come in here in where the fireplace meets. Try to finish that stuff off. Just little things here and there, but it's gonna get finished. We still need to repaint the ceilings up here. It's been a couple different shades of white, off-white, gray, trying to figure out what we like. And then we need to finish up here. We have some trim work to do. And then, I don't know if we really like that or not up there. It's not bad, but the planks aren't staying as well as we liked. So we may or may not replace that, but that's on our to-do list later on. And then in here in the bedroom, which everyone asked about, we still need to finish the fake shiplap up there, trim up the walls and corners and all that good stuff. And then the bathroom's kind of the same thing. Up here, we're having doing the faux brick. And then we're gonna do the shiplap, which you can see, it's basically just thin wood. As you can tell right here, we had to do plywood and then the wood. There's not much of a gap between, which is called nickel gap, I guess. But that's what it looks like right here when you first put it on. Then you paint it, and then we got some trim work. You need to finish the closet up here, the ceiling and stuff. And then the second bedroom slash bathroom. Everyone asks us, how can we never show it? Because it's not even close to being finished. We kind of put a hold on that for now. It's not that important. We're living out in the RV at the moment. We're trying to finish some other stuff, trying to get it a little bit finished more than starting a second bedroom that's really not that important. So we will be working on that soon, we promise. You didn't just miss it in the video. Everyone asks us. That's why we haven't shown it, because we haven't done a whole lot to it. And it's just, honestly, just became an extra storage place that we kind of needed for now until we get rid of a bunch of junk. Need to finish these rails right here. It's not a huge priority, but we do need to finish them. And then knock out, put a little more clear coat on the bottom railing that we have down here. It is ventilated. Then we just have one more or two more boards right here on the deck that needs to get finished. And then we kind of want to repaint it. Then we need to work on finishing some painting on the trim work, which isn't that much to do, but it's just pain in the butt. You have to get on a ladder. Then we built this AC unit cover, which everyone said wasn't going to work, but it works perfectly fine. Then we need to add some more dirt in here. Since you could tell it's low, once it rained, you can see where the low spots are. The back of our house is a construction zone and super dirty, but we're building the rails that you see there. We're gonna build another side all the way around. We don't want a deck or concrete, so we're gonna put pea gravel down in there and give it a cool rustic feel. We can still get back there for plumbing if we need to. You could tell that we had a nasty storm and everything got blown over and it just looks like a wreck. We just put the tin roof up here. We absolutely love it, but we still got some painting to do and finish off the railing. As you could tell, we got some good rain last night. All the seed got smashed down in there really well. All the grooves that we raked up yesterday are now flat, and we're hoping the seed is underneath it and gonna grow well. We have high hopes. So there's a lot of things we've done, a lot of things we will do, and a lot of things will never ever get finished. But we just wanted to say thank you so much, guys, for the 5,000 subscribers. We wish there was something that we could do to say thank you, like a giveaway or something. I don't know what we could personally do, since a lot of you don't live near us, but if there's something that you guys can think of, please leave a comment below and just let us know something that'd be cool that we could do a giveaway, maybe send you something, or I don't know, special shout out. I don't know what's cool, but let us know what you guys think, and we'd absolutely love to give back. You guys have outdone yourself with subscribing and commenting and liking and showing support for our channel, and we just couldn't be any more appreciative. So if there is something that we could do to give back, please let us know. All right, I know it's windy, but I just want to thank you guys one more time. Thank you for subscribing, liking our channel, liking us on Facebook. And if you don't like us on Facebook and Instagram, look us up. It's a Crocker Homestead. And if this is your dream, doing a shed to house or container house or whatever, do it. Who cares what people think? They're gonna think you're crazy, but get debt free. Let them all buy the big houses. It doesn't matter. Do what you want. Just be happy and do what makes you happy.